Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Venki's Emerging Edge YouTube channel. This is Venkatesh. Today we will talk about artificial intelligence based on your comments. First of all, what is AI? AI means artificial intelligence. This term has two parts. One is artificial, another one is intelligence. Artificial means made by human. Intelligence means thinking ability. Simply, we can say AI means providing thinking abilities to a mission by a human. So, that is a simple definition of artificial intelligence. God has given human natural intelligence. Using this knowledge, we can teach a mission to think. That's AI. In interview point of view, exam or viva, in simple words, AI is a part of computer science where we can create a mission or system. The system or mission can behave, think, act like a human. So that is called the AI definition. So that means here one more I will repeat it. AI is a part of computer science which can create a mission or system. That system or mission can behave, think, act like a human. This is called AI. This is very important definition for a interview as well as viva or exam. Another question might come to mind, that is, why are we developing AI? Why we are developing AI? What is need to develop? Human can solve the simple problem, there is no problem. But some complex problems are too difficult or time consuming for us. For example, weather forecasting, stock market prediction, analyzing the large amount of data for sentiment analysis. And one more, movies reviews. So these are very difficult tasks. So sometimes even if we solve these problems, the solution may not be perfect. That's why we are creating a artificial intelligence system or mission. Remember one thing, AI is not a mission, it is a technology. That means AI is a technology we are including with a mission or system, then it is called a agent. AI is a technology. That's very important. So let's an example. Let's go for some example. So normally a university gold medalist is chosen based on the just one factor, that is called a CGPA or percentage. I think everyone know that. This is very simple task, a simple problem. So think about, but what if we also consider the other things like a not only studies, we also consider sports, arts, other co-curricular activities, then this decision is very harder. So in real time, this is very difficult problem. How can you solve this? Then we help with AI. Is it clear? So what I am saying here, given a hard complex problem example. So generally in universities, in college, we can analyze the gold medalist based on CGPA or percentage. But what I am saying, in case in that university, college, whatever it may be, in which we find out the gold medalist based on not only study sports, arts, other co-curricular activities, then it is very harder. So then we will take the help with a AI. Okay, is it clear? Now, how AI can work? Why? Because of we know that how the human can thinking. That means now we are understanding of brain works. Why? Because of the human being can be thinking based on only brain. So how our brain will work? Because of our brain is contain 10 billions of 10 billions of interconnected neurons is there, which can help to think. Is it clear? So if any person is mentally disabled, that means these neurons are not perfectly interconnected. In case of interconnected, there is no intelligence. That means a person is ability to think or not, that is depending upon the interconnected of neurons. In case of these, out of the 10 billions of neurons, if any some neurons are perfectly working, that person is called a very high intelligence person. So here I think all of you understand, if any person can think based on interconnected of neurons only. But here one more question, how machines or systems can think? Because of there is no neurons in our machine. So how it is possible? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Because of, so one of the scientists name is Murray can say that every electronic device is working with a logic gates and transistors. Logic gates and transistors. These two are working like our interconnected neurons. So that's why it is possible to provide intelligence into a mission. Is it clear? So what are different types of logical gates? I think all of you know that and or not. By using of AND or NOT and transistors, these are interconnected like a neurons are interconnected human brain. So how the interconnected human brain, how they pass the information, how the human is intelligence, like that we have provide intelligence emission by using of logic gates and transistors by a Murray. Is it clear? Okay. Now, so this is how AI can build using electronic device to imitate the human thinking. The best example is Alexa. Best example is Alexa. So Alexa is electronic device which contains some logical gates and transistors. We can provide intelligence. We can speak with Alexa, get some answer. Sometimes AI missions are called agents. called agents. So here one more question. What is agent? What is an agent? So anything in word like human, robot or any software. Anything in word which can perceiving data from environment surrounding. So perceiving means receiving. That is also very important. Perceiving. So how can you receive data? With the help of sensors. After that, perform the action into a environment or surroundings by using of actuators. That means the definition of agent is anything involved which can ability to perceive the data from environment by using of sensors. After that, based on data, we can perform the action to the environment by using of actuators. This is the definition of agent. That means here some key parts of the agents. One is perceiving, another one is sensors, next actuators, next action. Perceiving means simply we collect the data from environment. So collecting, receiving, collecting from environment. Sensors is a tools to detect the data, like cameras. It's a tool like cameras, microphones, any other touch sensors, like that. These are sensors. Next one, actuators. Actuators means we perform some action. How is possible? By using of some motors. Next one, in case of we consider the robot, then we can say that robotic arms, speakers. These are different types of actuators. Next one, actions. Action is the response that agent gives based on what it sends. That is action. What it sends based on response. So this is the main keywords of agent. For example, here taking a small example for easily understanding. Human is one of the best example. Then somebody subscribers asking, sir, how can you say that human is agent? Then here, if any agent, you always follow these four keywords. First one is perceiving. Say yes or no. So perceiving. So what are the perceiving of? So how can you perceiving the data from environment by using of human, by the human with the help of some sensors only? Say yes or no. So these sensors nothing but human sensors means organs. So here by using of five types of organs like eyes, ears, nose, skin, tongue. So tongue for taste, skin the touch, nose smell, ears hearing, eyes vision. By using of these sensors, we can perceive the data from environment. After that, we are using of actuators. So after sensing this data, we can perform some action with the help of actuators. What are the actuators we are using? Hands, grasping, legs, walking, and one more, mouth is speaking. Is it clear? This is a clear definition of agent. So artificial agents means artificial agent means a mission plus AI. Is it clear? So here I think all of you understand AI means if any mission included with a AI technology, that is called artificial agents. But human is a best example. But human is a natural agent. Why? Because of God gives a gift for intelligence power. But he have developed the artificial agent. That means a mission we are along with a AI. Why you have selected the mission? I think all of you understand. Why? Because of each and every machine is an electronic device which consists of a transistors and one more transistors and so different types of gates, logic gates. So human is a natural agent. So example of different types of artificial agents. Examples. Examples of agents. I think all of you know that Robo 1, Robo 2 movie, in which Robo is the best example. So robot. Next one more is self-driving car. In robot, there is no human can be involving. Self-driving car, the name itself self-driving car, there is no involvement of any human. That means these two are not only two, but here what I am say that example, these two are without involvement of human. These two are act like a human, behave like a human, think like a human. That's why this is called involving of AI technology along with a mission. This is called a agents. So thank you. For more information, feel free to comments. Clear? If you have any queries or for more information, feel free to comments at Winky's Emerging Edge YouTube channel.